In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can nest items in Adobe Premiere Pro. So in your project, as you can see here, we have the project and all the items used inside of that project. I have a text and I have another text, and then I have this coffee mug icon. What I can do is select all of the things I want to nest and then right click them and choose nest here. So basically we're going to give it a name. Let's say it's coffee. And when you press enter, as you can see here inside of your project window, we get a separate sequence basically. So if you nest something, you create a nested sequence which merges everything you've selected together into one unit, meaning that I can select this nested sequence, and when I move the position, it will move everything inside of that nest. Now you can still edit the items inside of this nested sequence by double clicking it, and then it opens up the separate sequence. And you can go inside of that sequence and play around in it, adjust the text, the position, and all those things. And then when you've done that and you go back to your original project, as you can see here, it also reflects the changes you made inside of your nested sequence. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.